Stefan and Yannick work as electricians. Both use diagonal cutters and screwdrivers. While Stefan's large tool bag is also filled with several pairs of pliers, Yannick manages with just one extra pair of pliers, the Knipex Installation Pliers. These installation pliers are based on cable shears. The electrician uses these to effortlessly and accurately cut various types of cable without crushing or fraying them, both highly flexible stranded wire cable as well as solid conductor cables. Cables cut to length must be stripped. An experienced electrician carefully deploys cable cutters to remove the cable sheathing. Single conductors are stripped using the precise stripping holes. There is no contact with or damage to the conductor in this process. End sleeves must be mounted to connect flexible wiring. After removing the cable insulation using the stripping holes, the end sleeve is attached and reliably crimped onto the strands of the cable in the universal crimp die. The serrated pipe grip is used for transverse gripping and moving of parts. The serrated straight area of the gripping jaws grips materials tightly and without slippage in a longitudinal direction. The head of the installation pliers has clear-cut outside edges. These are used, for example, for piercing, deburring, and expanding openings in molded fittings. The edges of the pliers head are also used for a number of other scraping and cleaning operations, for which very often no suitable tool is at hand. The surface in the tip area is completed in a smooth way. Sensitive insulation will not be damaged when conductors are gripped, bent, and manipulated using the tips of the gripping jaws. The spring-assisted version of the installation pliers also features a latching mechanism. It is designed so that several gripping exercises can still be performed without releasing the latch. The latch is released to cut cables. In the event of repeated cutting, the opening spring relieves strain on muscles. In combination with diagonal cutters and screwdrivers, the Knipex Installation Pliers completes the toolset of the professional electrician. Knipex Installation Pliers, the all-rounder for professionals.